Why don't dishwashers ever fight? Because they know it's all about coming out clean. Welcome to our little tale about the unsung hero of the cleaning world. You see, the humble dishwasher tablet isn't just good at keeping your plate sparkling. No, it's got a few more tricks up its sleeve. So let's raise a glass to the multi-talented dishwasher tablet. Well, it seems our humble dishwasher tablet has more skills than just washing dishes. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into 5 surprising things you can clean with a dishwasher tablet. First up, the grimy washing machine. Now here's a twist. The very machine we trust to scrub our clothes spotless needs a scrub itself. With a dishwasher tablet, you can make that happen. Just pop a tablet in, run a cycle, and voila. It's like giving your washing machine a spa day. It's funny to think about, isn't it? Even our cleaning superheroes need a bath sometimes. So next time your washing machine has a dirty secret, you know what to do. Next on the list, the battlefield known as your stovetop. Fear not. A dishwasher tablet is your secret weapon to combat those stubborn, baked-on stains that have been standing their ground. Just imagine, the same little tablet that washes your dishes to gleaming perfection can also make your stovetop sparkle. Who knew the secret to a clean stove was hiding in your dishwasher all along? It's like finding out your quiet neighbor is a superhero. With a dishwasher tablet in your arsenal, your stovetop battles just got a whole lot easier. Moving on, let's tackle the beast that is your oven. With a trusty dishwasher tablet, we're about to wage war on stubborn stains and baked-in grease. Picture this. Your tablet is a brave knight, your oven, a dragon hoarding years of grime. It's time to evict those long-term grease tenants from your oven. Armed with just one dishwasher tablet, you'll be saying goodbye to those unwanted guests in no time. And just like that, your oven is a clean, lean cooking machine. Your trusty sneakers. Now imagine this, your favorite pair of kicks, worn out and dirty, getting a refreshing spa-like treatment. Yes, you heard it right. A dishwasher tablet can be the secret to reviving your tired sneakers. Simply soak them in a solution of warm water and a crushed tablet. It's like sending them to a high-end spa, but without the hefty price tag. Who knew your footwear could look brand new with just a dishwasher tablet? Lastly, simply let a dishwasher tablet dissolve in your toilet bowl. Give your bowl a good scrub, and hey presto, a sparkling toilet. So there you have it, the magical powers of a dishwasher tablet. Who would have thought that these little guys could moonlight as cleaning superheroes? They're not just for dishes. Oh no, they can clean machines, conquer stovetops, overhaul ovens, and even give sneakers a new lease on life. Next time you're out of cleaning products, don't panic, just raid your dishwasher. It's like having a secret cleaning arsenal right in your kitchen. Remember, a dishwasher tablet a day keeps the grime away.